Here it is, the IH Fire Crater Piston, created to pack new and greater wallop into older IH engines. Up-to-date horsepower and economy come from this revolutionary design, but the design keeps the International Harvester qualities of durability and dependability. All the contents of the package offer you increased power farming efficiency, with more work done per hour and per gallon of gas. The IH Fire Crater Increased Power Package will boost your Farmall or International Tractor engine's power to new heights of accomplishment in plowing, or let it handle wider discs and operate all kinds of equipment at higher speeds. Why will these parts give you such a dramatic power boost? Because they're especially engineered for every engine, Model A through the 450. They're not just sized to fit. First, there's the IH Fire Crater Piston design. It's carefully engineered for each IH engine model so that crater and chamber hold combustion to the area where it counts most. The result? Controlled combustion, free from heavy load spark knock, maximum power and economy at all engine speeds. Years of expert engineering, thousands of hours of experimentation, testing, refinement, put these pistons in a class by themselves. In IH engines, no other piston can match fire crater power output. But durability is as important as power under today's demands for efficiency. So fire crater pistons are made to absolute standards of precision. They're made of a special low-expansion aluminum alloy and heat-treated for hardness and long wear. Then they're skillfully tin-plated to prevent scuffing during break-in. These pistons are light. Excess metal is eliminated in the design to save fuel, give you more power, and at the same time minimize engine wear. IH Fire Crater pistons retain the famous slipper design to concentrate strength where it is needed, yet reduce weight and maintain perfect balance under all operating conditions. Location of the pin, too, gives proper balance through the range of operating speeds demanded during a season's work. In the Fire Crater piston, an unbeatable combination of superior design and the highest standards of manufacture assure you of true economy, true efficiency through the long pull. Of course, the power package includes IH piston pins. They're hardened and tempered and quality controlled to further protect the increased power that comes in the package. Every step in the manufacture of these parts is checked by experts to ensure perfection of the entire set. A typical IH oil ring, for example, is inspected at 22 points during casting, counter boring, gap milling, and other machining operations. In this rigid testing and inspection setup, a failure or fault in one ring means scrapping of the entire lot. There's no room for doubt. All IH rings are lapped down at the factory. They're run in against laboratory cylinders of precise dimension. Purpose of the extra steps? To minimize the break-in period and give your engine maximum power immediately. The top compression ring is grooved to maintain peak engine compression and power. Thick chrome plating gives rings long life and improved performance. It reduces wear on pistons and cylinder walls. There's an ultra-fine finish on all IH ring surfaces for the best oil control. Even oil ring rails get special treatment. The rails are made of tempered steel, chrome-plated for hundreds of hours of extra service with their protection against corrosion and wear. Here's one result of all this precision and quality. IH Fire Crater Power Package components put real pep into your engine. A recent advance in casting technology is used to make the cylinder sleeves in your increased power package. The mold is spun at high speed, forcing the molten metal into a perfect cylindrical shape. This method is added assurance that genuine IH parts are the best buy. After the nickel chrome casting is stress relieved, the outside diameter is machined to close tolerances. The critical inside surface is honed to the same set of lab standards used for lapping down the rings. So these IH parts are uniform and matched for for a long and happy life together. They're also made of compatible materials. This kind of harmony means increased power, protected power in your farming. These carefully finished sleeves offer other advantages besides uniformity. Note the faint crisscross pattern of the microfinish. That pattern means you'll get ideal engine lubrication control during break-in with unusually good wear characteristics. Graphite flakes and the unique structure of the hardened iron will smooth down to a comfortable position during the short break-in to form the most practical, long-wearing surface known for cylinder walls. Now, let's add up the benefits this package offers for putting full, modern punch into your older engines. There's a whopping power increase, a safe, economical power increase, developed and thoroughly tested by the men who know IH engines best. The special lightweight alloy and slipper design pistons operate with top power and economy, yet have strength where it's needed for full dependability. The sleeves are designed and built of materials to provide the best protection against friction. The genuine IH precision-made chrome-plated rings give you savings in oil and fuel, as well as in wear. Benefits packed into this box total up to a protected power increase to serve you faithfully through long, long hours of hard work at maximum efficiency. Install the matched fire crater set of pistons, rings, and sleeves for a big, long-term power boost. You'll begin right away to realize savings. You'll always find quality where you see the IH trademark. It's identified with parts that for years have outperformed the best that competition can offer.